Hi, my name is Jack, and today we will talk about
Humidifiers.
If you liked some of the products here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Experience the power of water as a mist with the AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier. Dry air can leave your skin and throat feeling like sandpaper. Instead, wake up feeling refreshed. When you need dry air relief, this quality ultrasonic humidifier is the one you're looking for. It's so good for everyday life. You can enjoy its benefits at home. Your plants can enjoy it, and you can even enjoy while you work. Breathe better, sleep better, live better with the soothing cool mist from AquaOasis. Now available on Amazon. AquaOasis.
With the LEVOIT Classic 300S Humidifier, create healthy humidity the smart way. Using the free VSync app, you can control your humidifier from your smartphone and can even connect to third-party voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Rest easy knowing your home and belongings are well cared for, as auto mode keeps your target humidity in place, and the water tank's wide opening makes refills quick and spill-free. You can even add essential oils to the aroma pad for calming fragrances, and bring in a little light for quiet comfort. Refresh your space with LEVOIT.
Ready to set up your new LEVOIT Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier? Let's get started. Place your humidifier on a hard, flat, and water-resistant surface. To fill the tank, start by removing the nozzle cover and taking the water tank off the base. Flip over the water tank and remove the water tank cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Fill the tank with room temperature water. We recommend purified or distilled water. After filling, replace the water tank cap. The arrow on the tank cap should align with the lock on the tank. Place the nozzle cover back on the tank. Now your humidifier is ready to use. Plug it in and tap the control button. Press it repeatedly to switch between mist settings. Blue means low mist. Orange means medium mist. And purple means high mist. If the control button is red, either the humidifier is empty or the tank is not securely on the base. If you'd like to add aroma to the mist, start by turning off the humidifier. Push the aroma box located at the back of the base and pull it out. Put 2 to 3 drops of essential oil on the aroma pad and push it back into the humidifier. Never put essential oils directly into the tank or base. If you notice your humidifier leaking, check if the silicone sealing around the water tank cap is secure. Also, make sure the arrow on the water tank cap is aligned with the lock on the tank after filling. If the mist is unusually low or not coming out at all, there may be too much water in the base. To fix this issue, take the water tank off the base. Ensure the arrow on the water tank cap is aligned with the lock on the tank after filling. If the mist is unusually low or not coming out at all, there may be too much water in the base. To fix this issue, take the water tank off the base, fill up the tank, and place the tank back on the base. Now you're an expert at using your new humidifier. We hope you enjoy the comforting atmosphere your humidifier provides. Thank you for choosing LEVOIT.
The Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier, designed for medium-sized rooms. This humidifier helps relieve dry air discomforts like dry throat, chapped lips, and static shock. 3 fan speeds control moisture output, and the Quiet Care technology makes it ideal for use in a bedroom. For temporary relief from dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier.
With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. All the humidifier's features can be or the convenient reminder to run your humidifier for that way you can and forget. Auto mode, the LV6 uses an advanced sensor to and automatically adjust the mist level. 600HH covers powerful enough. If you want aromatherapy, use AromaBomb fragrance, the 360-degree mist nozzle. LEVOIT's LH is the perfect for a comfortable home. LEVOIT.